Beneath the sun-drenched surface of the ocean, a world of vibrant color and ceaseless motion unfolds. Coral reefs teem with life, and vast open waters hide creatures of every shape and size. Here, amidst the gentle sway of currents and the silent dance of light, an ancient and beautiful story is told again and again. It is a story of survival, of transformation, and of the enduring cycle of life that connects every living thing in this immense blue kingdom. We begin this journey by witnessing one of the most fundamental processes in the aquatic realm, the life cycle of a fish, a testament to nature's intricate design. Our story begins not with a flash of scales or a flick of a fin, but in a quiet, hidden nursery. Here, clinging to a blade of seagrass or nestled within a rocky crevice, are tiny, translucent spheres. Fish eggs, laid by the hundreds or thousands, these delicate capsules hold the promise of new life. The mother fish, having chosen a safe location, entrusts them to the currents, while the father often stands guard against a host of predators who see these eggs as an easy meal. Inside each sphere, a tiny miracle is taking place. A single cell divides, multiplies, and begins to form a recognizable shape. We can see the faint outline of a spine and the dark spots that will become eyes. A miniature life preparing for its grand entrance into the vast watery world outside its protective shell. With a final push, the fragile shell breaks and a new life wriggles free. This is the larval stage, the most perilous chapter in a fish's existence. Barely a sliver of life, the larva is almost transparent, equipped with a large, life-sustaining yolk sac attached to its belly. This built-in lunchbox provides all the nutrition it needs for its first few days. It is a creature of instinct, driven by the primal need to survive. As the yolk sac shrinks, the larva's mouth and eyes develop, and it must quickly learn to hunt. Its first meals are microscopic zooplankton, tiny organisms drifting in the water column. The larva is clumsy and vulnerable, an easy target for countless predators, and only a fraction of those that hatch will survive these critical early days. Those that endure the trials of the larval stage begin a remarkable transformation into a juvenile fish. The awkward, transparent wisp of a creature starts to resemble its adult form. Fins sprout and strengthen, allowing for more controlled movement and greater speed. Glimmering scales develop, forming a protective armor over its delicate body. Its internal organs mature and its instincts sharpen. This is a time of learning and growth. The juvenile fish discovers the intricate geography of its home, from the safest coral canyons to the richest feeding grounds. To increase their chances of survival, many species form schools, moving as a single, shimmering entity. In this silver cloud, there is safety in numbers, confusing predators, and creating a collective defense that no single fish could manage alone. After months or sometimes years of growth and learning, the juvenile completes its final transformation. It is now an adult, a fully fledged member of its species. Its colors have deepened, its body has strengthened, and it has mastered the skills needed to thrive in its environment. The adult fish plays a vital role in the delicate balance of the ocean's ecosystem. Whether it is a colorful parrotfish grazing on algae, a swift tuna hunting in the open ocean, or a bottom-dwelling flatfish camouflaged on the seafloor, each has its purpose. But a deeper, more powerful instinct now drives the adult: the urge to reproduce. Guided by ancient rhythms and unseen cues, it embarks on a great journey, often migrating hundreds of miles back to the very place where it was born. Here, in the ancestral spawning grounds, the cycle comes full circle. The adult fish finds a mate, and with a final, graceful dance, releases a new generation of eggs into the water. Its life's purpose is fulfilled, its legacy secured in the tiny spheres that now begin their own journey. As we pull back, the vast, shimmering expanse of the ocean reveals a world not of individual lives, but of a single, interconnected and continuous story. From a tiny egg to a magnificent adult, the life of a fish is a timeless epic of struggle, resilience, and renewal. A beautiful, unending cycle that sustains the boundless heart of the sea.